Hello everyone, today we are going to learn patterns. So, let us see what are patterns. So, here a pattern is a set of numbers, alphabets, or figures which will follow a certain rule. A candidate is required to identify the specific rule and then find the missing term. Type 1. How to find the missing term or next term in number, letter, or figure series. To continue the given series, identify the order of series, descending or ascending order. Observe the pattern using operations, addition, subtraction, skip counting, and reverse counting. Identify the order of alphabetical series, either A to Z or Z to A. Numbering of alphabets, either starting from A or starting from Z. Next is skipping letters. Type 2. How to find the missing figure in the figure matrix. To find the missing figure in the given figure matrix, identify the rule followed either in row or in column. Type 3. How to find the missing part in the figure pattern. Complete the figure pattern by drawing its incomplete part in the pattern. So, with these things, let us start with an example. So, here it's written find the missing number in the given number pattern. So, here you can see the first number is 1, the next number is 3, then 5, then 7, and the last one is 11. So, we have to find this missing number. So, for finding that, we are going to see what is the term to term rule used over here. So, first, here we will write 1 and then the 2 is not here, so we will leave 2 and then we will go for 3. Again, 4 is not here and 5 is written. Then after 5, 6 is not here and 7 is here. So, did you understand something? Yes, one number is missing every single time. It is called skip counting by 1. So, we will find out what is going to be here. So, for that, let's write 7 and after that, we will leave 8 and then we will come to 9 and after that 10 will be left and 11 will come. So that means here we have to write 9. So option number D is the correct option. Now let's go to the next page for the next one. So here is the next question. Explanation D. The rule followed in the number pattern is skip counting, as I told you. So here 1 is there, 2 is not there. It's the same method that I used. Now let's go to example 2. What is the missing figure in the given figure pattern? So what can you see over here? So you can see a rose and a hibiscus, then a sunflower, and again the same pattern continues. So if you will see, here's a sunflower, and after that the figure is missing. So we will come back and see what's after this sunflower. So after sunflower we can see a rose. So that means rose is the correct option. Now let's come to explanation. So the answer is A. The pattern repeats itself after every three figures. So here is the second group, and here's the third one. Now let's come to example 3. Select a figure from the option which will complete the given figure pattern. So here it is like this. The green part, let me draw it. The green part is over here, and then here, and then here. And after that, can you tell what will come next? So yes, the answer will be A. It will come over here. Because if you see, they are at the opposite direction like this. So if the green is over here, then the other green will be here. So if this one is here, then the other one will be over here. So option number A is the correct answer. Now let's go to the next question. So here's example 4. Find the missing shape in the given matrix. So here what can you see? A guava, and here is a lychee, and this one is a strawberry. So we will be continuing this. So here you can see a lychee, then a strawberry, then guava. So in every single column you can see that every fruit is present over one group. So what is missing here? So yes, guava is not present over here. So C is the correct answer. So here's the explanation. Each row or column contains three different fruits. Is the third row or second column guava? Okay, so guava is missing in the third row or second column. So this is third row and this is the second column. Now let's go to the next one, which is exercise. So here direction is given for question 1 to 3. Select a figure from the option which will complete the pattern in the given figure. So here first of all we have to find out that what pattern is used over here. So you can see here's a yellow colored one, and here's a yellow colored one. Here's a blue and then blue. So it is opposite. Now yes, we will continue this over this one also. So the green will be from here, and then we will take a red and fill it over here. So can you tell which figure is matching with our drawing? So yes, C is the one. Now let's come to question 2. So here you can see these two opposite colors are same, and the triangle is also in different direction, it's opposite. So we will see what this answer will be. So first of all, let's draw that. So we will take a blue color and then we will fill it. Then we will take another color which is yellow, but yellow is not available, so we will take orange and make the triangle but in the opposite side, so it will be like this. So let's see which one is matching. So here you can see this one is the one which is matching with our drawing. Now let's go to question number 3 and see what is applied over this question. So here you can see these things. So first line is a white colored. So if we will do the same, then we have to draw this line over here like this, and then these two things are same. So we will draw a red one too. Now the background will be yellow. So yellow is not here, so we will take orange. So now tell which one is matching. So of course it's the first one. So the answer will be A. Now we have to complete question number 4. So directions are given here and it's written find the missing alphabet in the given alphabet patterns. So in question number 4, P R T and after that what? So you can see that the pattern is adding two letters. So we will add two letters. So we will add P, then after P, Q, then R. So two letters are here. So we will use the same technique over here. So it's T and then U, then V. So what will be present over here? So yes, it's B, V. In the question number 5, the next pattern is W, V, U, T. So let's see what is the turn to turn rule that is applied here. So in 5, first we have got W and after that we have got V and after that we have got U and then T. Let's use this too. So we will subtract one letter from this. So what comes before W? So it's V. So we will write V and after that what comes before V. So it's U. And what comes before U? It's T. So we will see what comes before T. So before T we can find S. So that means S is our correct answer. Now let's come to question number 6. D G J M dash S. So here we have to add plus 3. So that means here's D, and after that D E F, then is our G, then H I J, then K L M, then N O P. So after adding this, we can find that P is the answer of question number 6. Now let's come to the next question. So this is question number 7. So we have got direction for this for 7 to 8. Find the missing number in the given number patterns. So here first is 2, then 4, then 6. So can you understand something? Yes, this is the multiplication of 2. So this is the multiplication of 2, and the next thing is that we are adding 2 to every number. So there are two things. One is that it is multiplication of 2, and the other one is that we are adding 2 to every digit. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is what? So yes, 6 plus 2 is 8. So our answer will be A, 8. Now let's come to question number 8. So here you can see 5, then 9, then 13, then 17. So here, what pattern can you understand? Yes, we are adding 4 to every digit. So if we will add 4 to 5, then we will get 9. And if we will again add 4 to 9, then we will get 13. So now we will add 4 to 17 to get our answer. So 17 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it's 2. So the answer is 21. Now we have got direction for question number 9 and 10. So the question is, select a figure from the options which will complete the given series. So first is 1, then 2, then 3. So it is ascending order. So do you know what ascending means? It means adding 1 to every digit. So we got by adding 1 to 1. So we will get 4 if we will add 1 to 3. So let's do it. So here we got 4. That means 4 is our correct answer. The next one is question number 10. Here we got some shapes. A hexagon, then a pentagon, then we have got a missing one, then a triangle, a incomplete triangle, and a line. So now we will see what's their role. So here, can you tell me how many edges are there in a pentagon? Yes, there's 6. And how many in a pentagon? So it's 5. Then how many will be in the nest shape? So if you will see, you can see that we are subtracting 1 to every digit. So if we will subtract 1 to 5, then we will get 4. So our answer is B, square, because square has 4 edges or sides. So we have completed total 10 questions. We will do the rest of them in our second part of this chapter. Thank you.